Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing well. So in today's video, I'm super excited to be sharing with you guys a full face of first impressions. I haven't filmed a makeup tutorial in several months, let alone tried some new products. So I am super excited for today's video to finally be sitting down and filming content for you guys and also trying out all these new products that I recently got in my makeup collection. I created this really fun, colorful summer makeup look for you guys with some really new, cool products that I got in my makeup collection. So if you guys are interested in knowing what new products I have, and if you're interested in knowing how I created this beautiful, fun summer makeup look, then make sure to keep on watching. Alright you guys, so I'm super excited to be jumping into today's video. It has been a long day, you guys. It's a Friday afternoon. I wrapped up work for the day, so I got myself a nice big iced coffee that I made with my Nespresso. This is flavored with sugar-free birthday cake syrup and it's so delicious. I'm definitely gonna share the recipe with you guys very soon. I have so much content that I'm excited to share with you guys. I've just been putting it off because life has been so crazy. I swear, ever since I got married, I'm just automatically so occupied with just so many new things, and it's definitely an adjustment. I'm acting as if I just got married. It's been almost 2 years. I mean, we just hit about 1.5 years, so we're getting close to the 2-year mark, so I don't know why I'm acting like I'm new to this. I should have my life together by now, but I don't, and that's okay. Anyways, enough of the chitter chatter. Let's get on with the video. If you guys are interested in like a life update or you want to know what's been going on with me, definitely leave a comment down below and I can film a chit chat get ready with me or just a sit down chit chat video for you guys. But I really want to focus on these new products in front of me today, so let's get into it. So to start off, I already cleansed and moisturized my face. You guys already know the drill, and now I want to go ahead in and add some primer. It is definitely really hot right now, so I need a good primer to hold my makeup in place. I have the Milk Hydro Grip Primer here. I have a cute little sample that I got from Sephora recently, and I'm just gonna take some and apply that all over the face and really concentrating it on my T-zone. Next up, I want to color correct my face. I'm using my favorite color corrector. This is the MAC Prep & Prime Peach Lustre color correcting stick, and I'm just gonna apply that around my hyperpigmentation and anywhere where I have some acne scars. I had a beautiful pimple on my forehead this week, which finally decided to go away, so I have a little mark there now. So you just want to apply that just to perfect any imperfections on your face. So that's it for color corrector. I want to go in with some foundation next. I have the Too Faced Born This Way foundation, my holy grail foundation, and I'm going to be using the shade Natural Beige today. I usually use the shade Light Beige. However, I think I got a little bit of a tan recently with the summer weather and just being on vacation, so I'm gonna go in with this one. I think this is a better match right now. I'm in love with how cute my new beauty blender is. It's like green and white marble, and I just destroyed it with my foundation. It's so cute though, and it's really nice. I got it in a BoxyCharm package. So next up, I want to jump in to eyes. I want to quickly prime my eyes with some concealer and some setting powder. I have my two favorite products, the Nars Radiant Creamy Concealer and the Laura Mercier Translucent Setting Powder. Alright you guys, eyes are primed and ready to go, and I'm super excited because we are jumping in to our first new product in this video. So I do want to give a disclaimer, these are new products in my makeup collection. I'm not necessarily sure if they're just new releases or if they're just new to me, but regardless, I'm just excited to share my first impressions and thoughts with you guys as I try these products for the first time. So the very first new product for me is the iconic London Beachside Babe eyeshadow palette. This is a beautiful summer palette, you guys. When I saw it, I was like, oh yeah, I can't wait to play with this. Look at how many fun colors there are. There's nice mattes and shimmers. Like, I'm so excited. So to start off, I'm going in with the shade Lounger. I'm taking this color on a big fluffy brush. This is the Morphe M441. And I'm just going to start dusting that onto my crease. I feel like it's taking a little bit for the color to show. It might just be the shade that I picked because it is pretty nude. I think I'm gonna go in with the shade Parasol, which is the shade right beside. It's a bit deeper. Oh yeah, that's showing a little bit better. I'm also just gonna drag that color a little bit onto the outer corners. Alright, overall, so far, the product is okay. I feel like pigment is definitely lacking. You guys can see it's really hard to see the colors on my eyes. I am also using light colors right now, so maybe I need to try out some deeper colors. In terms of how well it's blending, I would say it's blending really well. It's not looking patchy or anything. I'm really just looking for pigment. I think I want to go in with this shade next, this deep brown, and it's called Bikini. This is like a gorgeous, oh, okay, so we do have pigment from this palette. Wow. This is like a beautiful warm brown. I definitely got caught off guard as I started applying this product. So we're just gonna keep on blending this. I really wanna add this onto the outer portion of my eyes just to get some nice definition going. Based on my outfit, I feel like I should be sticking to some of these more neutral toned shimmers, but you guys already know how I am. This blue is screaming my name. I really want to try it. I know it might not match with my top, but maybe we can make it work. I really want to try it. I think I'm gonna try this shade and maybe a little bit of this shade just so that it matches a little bit more with the fit. I mean, ideally I should be using these, but these are just so basic. I feel like I've used these colors in so many different videos. I definitely want to try this blue. I think we're gonna go in with this blue. Taking the color on my finger, I'm just going to apply it directly on to the inner portion of my lids. Oh my goodness, do you guys see that? That is beautiful. Wow. I love how effortlessly it's going onto the lids and how the shimmer is just popping and how there's beautiful pigment. Oh my gosh, I am very, very impressed with this palette. I'm definitely going to be using this palette in future videos, so stay tuned. I'm gonna definitely pump out more looks. I mean, look at all these other shades that are in here that I am dying to try, but overall, I love this. I think this is so pretty and so fun for the summer. I'm gonna go ahead and contour with the Huda Beauty Tantour. I'm obsessed with this. Little goes a long way with this product. I'm going to just contour my nose a little bit. All right, we're going in with some new product. I'm going in with a new blush. I got this for my birthday from Sephora. This is the Ilia Beauty Insider birthday present, and I'm excited to be using the mascara and the blush that's in here. Actually, I think this is a multi-stick, so you can use it for your lips as well, I believe, but I'm gonna use it for my cheeks today. This is what it looks like. This is in the shade At Last, so let's go ahead in and put on some blush. Oh no, I feel like it's moving my makeup off. I think I'm gonna go in with my sponge and then apply it onto the face. That is working a little bit better, although I can see my foundation coming off, which I do not like at all. All right, there you go. We're starting to see some product. I have a bunch of the blush on the back of my beauty sponge and just gonna tap, tap, tap this into the cheek. This is definitely working a lot better than going directly onto the face, especially since I have a layer of foundation on. I feel like I can go directly into the face if I don't have anything on my face to begin with. Like if I'm going in on just like my bare skin and I just want like a little bit of glow and a little bit of color. But I think with a full face of makeup, this is a little bit hard. All right, there you go. We're starting to see some color. I think this product has a lot of potential for like an everyday look, but I'm not sure about a glam look. I see a lot of dewiness on my face, which again, I'm really appreciating, but I don't know if I love the lack of pigment. because I want a lot of pop when I'm doing a soft glam or a glam look. So I might have to go in with some more blush on top. Alright, this is the best I could do with the Ilia blush. Overall, I think I give this product like a 6. I really like a lot of color when it comes to my blush. I love a flush of color. I like to overdo it with my blush. I love to let my blush do a lot of the talking on my face. So I think the lack of pigment is making me really sad. I can really appreciate how glowy and dewy it is. So I think I'm just not using this product for the right look today. It's not the right product for what I'm trying to achieve. I'm trying to achieve a lot of pigment, not too much dewiness. I just want a lot of color, and I think I would prefer more of a matte blush for today. I think this has a lot of potential for an everyday makeup look, so I'm definitely going to put this on the side and try this again for like an everyday look, or maybe a more minimal makeup look. So you guys definitely stay tuned for that. I don't want to completely cancel this product. I feel like I can make it work, but right now I'm not really a fan and I'm not really satisfied. So let's try to fix this. Let's find another blush. Alright, I have my Tarte Peach Sunset Cream Blush. This one does not disappoint, you guys. I've used this in a few videos, I believe. I definitely did a review, so definitely check that out. So I have some on my beauty sponge, and I'm just going to tap that in to the face. Oh yeah, this is what I was looking for. Just a lot more color. That's what I need. I'm going to go in with the Nars Radiant Creamy Concealer, and I'm going to conceal my face and then set everything in place with the Laura Mercier Translucent Setting Powder. Using the concealer, I'm going to clean up the eyes just like that. Just using whatever product is on my beauty blender to just sharpen out the cheeks a little bit and the contour. I'm just gonna brush away the setting powder because it's all done setting on my face. I'm using this Bare Minerals Bounce and Blur Mauve Sunrise. This is, I believe, discontinued unfortunately, but you can just go in with any bright pink blush of your choice. And I'm just going to amplify the cheeks a little bit more right on top of the Tarte blush. Going in with my Benefit Give Me Brow, and this is in the shade 4. And I'm just going to brush out my brows. Next up, we're going in with highlight, and I have a new product to try with you guys. This is the TOYFACTORY Dreamset. This is a highlighter serum palette, and it's really interesting because the product is infused with hyaluronic acid and niacinamide, which I love using for my skincare. Niacinamide really helps me with my pores, and hyaluronic acid is obviously great for moisture. So I don't know how this is going to help me with the kind of high points of my face because my problem areas are my T-zone area, but I mean, let's still give it a try. I think it's really cool and it's interesting and innovative. Let's open it up and see what it looks like. So this is what the highlight palette looks like. I think this is gorgeous. There is a variety of colors. Super interesting that there's like a purple shade, and then this is nice. I love to see deeper shades for my deeper skinned girlies. I think I'm gonna use a little bit of this product, and I might use a little bit of this in my inner corners just to kind of wrap up the eyes. Alright, I'm going in with the shade Beige, which is like the classic highlight shade. And wow, that is absolutely beautiful. I'm going in with Metaverse, and I'm just gonna apply that onto the inner corners. Wow, that is beautiful. I love how that's popping. Oh snap, that is beautiful. All right, this is my new favorite inner corner shade for sure. I love this. Next up, I have a new mascara to try. This is the Ilia Limitless Lash Mascara. I got this in my birthday gift from Sephora this year, so let's go ahead and try it. So far, this mascara is giving length. I really like it so far. Let's keep going. Oh, as I'm going in with my second layer, I can definitely appreciate how nicely this mascara layers. I'm starting to get a lot of volume. I feel like initially I got a lot of length and now the volume is kicking in. So I definitely really like this. Wow. All right, you guys, eyes are done and I actually really like how they turned out. I feel like it's such a fun pop of color for summer, such a nice eye look. Now, in terms of the Ilia Mascara, I actually really like it. It's super comfortable on the eyes and it was really easy to use and to just build up the product. One thing I can appreciate about this product is the wand. I feel like it's different. It's got two kind of different sides of the brush. One side has like straight bristles, whereas the other side kind of has like an interesting design, which is cool. So basically what I ended up doing was one side, so the side that isn't straight edge, I used to kind of like pack on the product, and then the straight edge I used to kind of clean out any clumps or anything like that. And overall I think it turned out really beautifully and I definitely recommend this product. I really liked it. So we're almost done with the makeup look today. The very last thing I have to do is my lips, and I have a new lip product here. This is the Mellow Cosmetics brand. I believe this is a lip gloss in the shade Tahiti, I believe is how you pronounce it. I got this in a boxy charm and look how beautiful this is. I definitely need some lip liner, so let's go ahead in with that first. Going in with BFF3 by ColourPop. This is their Lippie pencil. These lip liners are so beat up, please ignore that. Now I'm going in with the gloss. This is like a beautiful orange tone gloss. It's so perfect for summer. Alright you guys, so that is pretty much it for today's full face of first impressions video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. I definitely really had fun trying out these new products. I would say overall everything was a hit except for the Ilia blush stick. I'm definitely gonna have to give this another shot. I feel like it's just not in the right setting. It's not good for like a glam look. It's definitely good for everyday, very minimal looks, kind of like a no makeup look, if you know what I mean. So stay tuned. I'm definitely gonna try that product again. I'm not gonna give up on it yet. If you guys enjoyed this video and you want to see more, make sure to check out my makeup tutorials playlist. I'll have it linked up here somewhere and also down below in the description box for you guys. If you guys love all things makeup and beauty and lifestyle, then make sure to check out my channel. I have a ton of videos for you guys to check out and enjoy. If you guys like this video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up so I know you liked it, and I'll definitely make more. And if you guys have suggestions on any videos you would like to see from me, make sure to comment down below and let me know, and I'll definitely try and follow up on those. If you guys haven't subscribed to my channel yet, make sure you're subscribed and hit that notification bell so you never miss an upload. And you guys, that is pretty much it. I want to thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye guys!